Well, hello there, and welcome to another episode of Late Night Reviews while you're about to go camping. Yes, last minute reviews. And today, since we are taking out the EV, the model of the Model 3, I think versions of the Model 3 prior to, let's say, about 2 years ago, let's say the 2018 and maybe early 2019 versions, they did come with the standard with the Gen 2 or maybe a Gen 1 NEMA adapter bundle that lets you basically have all the plugs that you needed if you were going out there, and probably because it wasn't sure that you would find a supercharger. Now that Tesla has a bunch more of superchargers out there, I guess that's the reason why they no longer ship the, at least as far as I know, the late 2019 and onwards Tesla Model 3s, at least. They no longer come with the full NEMA bundle. It comes with your basic charging kit, your mobile charging kit, but not all the let's say the adapters that you may need for all the chargers or other non-Tesla charging stations you might find out there. So because we're going out camping, and we are actually going into an RV park, and I'm sure, and the closest station is about 100 miles away from where we're going, then we actually need to charge at the campsite, which is an RV park. And I believe the RV park is a standard, meaning it has both the 50 amp, a 30 amp, and the standard another 30 amp or 120 volts standard North American plug. So we went on to the Tesla site and we did order the official Gen 2 NEMA adapter bundle. It did arrive today. Well, it might have been yesterday because we did come out from another trip this morning, and we did find this at our doorstep. So here it is. That's it. It's not even opened yet. It's got that seal. So we will go right ahead and open that up, and voila! So it actually comes with another bag. So this will be my second bag. So and there's nothing else there, so I'll set this aside. The standard mobile bundle actually comes with comes in a similar kit. I guess it's about as heavy, and here we go. It's got that texture, so I believe that's so that it should like latch onto the texture within your standard trunk, not on your frunk, because the frunk, at least on my frunk, doesn't have that. It's got a plastic. It doesn't have any other. It doesn't have any mattings. It's a basic plastic. I didn't even put anything. So at the back though, it's got some texture on it. But I did put some. Mats on it, of which I have an old review somewhere. I can link it. I can link that. But let's go right ahead and open this up, and hopefully it is the right set of things that I need, because it's what I need. So there are no what do you call that? Pockets there. So it's just the sets of adapters themselves. Right. So this is the an NA6 to 15 adapter. That's interesting. It comes in, you know what? Okay, I thought I had to open it up. Now let's take that out. So NA16. So that's a standard 3-prong, I guess. No, it's flat. So it's a 3-prong flat, but that is the other side of it. So that's definitely different. So that is marked as an NA6-15 adapter. I'll set that aside. Again, here's another one. Are there two of these? Maybe that's a spare. This is about the same thing. It's the same thing. So I think I have two of these. Doesn't say. Oh, I guess you get two of each. I have. This is the 1430 adapter. A 1430 adapter. 24 amps, 250 volts. I think. Same the end part. This looks pretty. Oh no, these are different. This is the. It's hard to read. Sorry, but this is the 1450. So if you take a look, there's the main difference here is this. While they have the same flat side pins here, I guess the ground pin. This one is flat. This one is shaped like an L. So that's the difference between these two. This is the one with an L shape is the 1430, and this is the 1450 or 1460. It's hard to. It's really kind of dark. Let's see if there's actually a difference between this and this other one. They actually look very similar. Let's see if there's any marking here of difference. Oh, there is actually a difference. It's not two of the same things. This actually has, if you take a look, this has two flat ones on the top and the circular one at the bottom. And this one is a flat and a vertical, and the circular one at the bottom. I don't know. It's hard to see, but they're definitely different. So it's not two of each as I originally thought, but they're quite similar. This looks like your standard 550 or 650 adapter. It's a 30 amp. There you go. And lastly, this is apparently an NA or NEMA 1030 adapter. So that one has, this looks familiar. It's called a 1030, and you have an L shaped on the top and slanted other plugs. I mean the other, yeah, you know what I mean. It's on camera. So, and what is this? This is the NA6-20 adapter. It comes in its own box. Why the rest don't come in their own boxes, I have no clue. But this does come in its own box. And I thought I would have to open that up that way, but no. Nope. Right. There you go. So this is an NA 620. So this 620 looks very similar to this one. It's a 520, only in reverse. Take a look at that. So they are the same, except that these two at the top are like mirrored. So much for standards. You've got what? How many do we have here? And we've got one each. 1, 2. I have to remember that this is a 1622. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, and I've got 7 of these. And what I will need for the park is the NEMA, the 50 amp. So I believe that is the one with So that is the one with I believe 4 pins on them. So this is the 1430, which is at 250 volts, 24 amps. This is the as far as I know, it looks like that. So it's got 4 pins. But if it's not that, then it'll be this one, which is the I think this is right, the 1450. The 1450, which is also it's actually a 30 amp and 250 volts. That sounds about right. 250 amps and 30 amps compared to this 1430 versus a 1450, which is a 24 amps. I'm with this. So this should be your 50 amp, and this is just a 30 amp. So yes, so this is what I think I am looking for. And then for the other one, I believe it's a it usually is a 30 amp, and it's got its prongs in a I think it's this design. I think so. This looks like the a 1030, or I could be wrong. It's also 24 amp, 250 volts. But anyway, whatever it is at the park, I think I have most of everything that I will need, and yeah, that's what's in the box. So thanks for sticking around and investigating whatever is in this box. Whatever happens on this camping trip, if I come back, then I'll probably do a quick review, post review of how this gear went as part of my adventure gear series, and using an EV. Yep, thanks for sticking around. Link, subscribe, or click the like or dislike button, whatever is your choice. Anyway, thank you, bye.